This is the Dak-galbi dish with the river of cheese down the spice.
It's definitely river. Oh yeah.
So dak-galbi is like a diced chicken along with vegetables with spicy sauce. It's going to be prepared in the kitchen and it's going to be brought out on a large cast iron skillet along with our induction grills on the table. Then it's going to be heated up and then you could just enjoy it then.
We're at my favorite place in New York City, Koreatown, 32nd and Broadway. We're here to check out Hong Chun Cheon, which is a Dak-galbi place. If you don't know what that is, you'll find out soon enough. Let's go.
Chun Cheon is actually where dak-galbi is kind of originated, and Hong, which means red in Korean. We serve spicy dak-galbi, so there are 4 levels of spiciness, to mild to extra spicy. You don't want to start with something too extreme in the first place, so you want to start with a mild, and then you want to gradually go to the extra spicy.
We took the advice of the general manager, and we went on the medium level, hot spice, 1 above medium, 1 below the hottest.
Not the hottest, but the second level.
It's time to dig in.
Cheers.
Oh yeah. That's it.
I have not used chopsticks since my nails got this long. And it's not an easy feat, but it's worth it. It's amazing. It's like the softest piece of chicken I've ever had.
The spice is like the perfect winter coat. You come right in, you have this dish, and immediately it feels like you're by a campfire.
It's warm.
It's communal. You're sharing the same dish, having the same experience. And that's really the beauty of, I think, Korean food, Asian food, family style eating. We're gonna finish it. No problem.
You're committed, so let's do it.
What was your favorite part?
I definitely love the rice cakes. They were great.
Rice cakes. Okay. So the chicken for me was, and then you roll it up in the river of cheese that melted, and it's literal heaven.
Yeah, it is.
But I think there's one part of our meal that's left.
Which is insane. I can't believe that there's more.
So when there's a quarter of your meal left, or kind of your scraps, and you're slowing down, you're thinking you're almost done. They hit you with a little bit more fried rice here.
Which I'm not mad at all.
So it's almost like you're getting 2 entrees for the price of 1. So this is it, and
Let's try
see you
it.
later.
It's really good.